This is the LVDT Trainer Kit Mars make. After unboxing the kit, you have to find this trainer, LVDT jig, power cord, and one instruction manual. Here, on the above of the kit, we have made different circuits. Here is the representation of LVDT having primary coil and two secondary coil, and the core between the primary and secondary coils. Here is the oscillator having output of 2 volt 5 kilohertz approximate buffer section, and this is the signal conditional circuit, and here is the displacement output on this digital panel meter. Here is the LVDT jig. LVDT is placed here. Here is the measuring screw gauge having value of 10, center 0, then 10. After moving this rotation, this screw gauge, the core will moving according to the value of displaced shown over here. Here is the connector, 5.5 pin connector. Here, first of all, you have to connect the connector provided here very carefully. Tighten the screw. Connect the power cord, 220 volt AC, 50 Hz supply. Here on the LVDT jig, there is the value of 10, 5, 0, 5 and 10. Make it center. The 0 line is matched with this screw gauge least count 0. That means this core is at the center of the primary and secondary coils. After getting this position 0 matching with 0, that means center position of the core. With the help of this set 0, we have to make the output 0. This is the initial setting of this trainer. In next video, I will explain the experiments.